welcome to our new channel Team FAALTU. Our today's topic is how to speak in English fluently. There are many people around us who can understand English very well but cannot express English fluently. This video is to help such kind of people. Before going to main topic, there are some questions for the audience. First question: do we stuck during speaking in our mother tongue? Answer is no. Then the question comes, why? The reason is, in case of mother tongue, we speak whatever we think. Our brain is thinking in mother tongue, and after being processed from our brain, our mouth is delivering our thought. The processing time in brain is so less that we can speak English fluently. But in case of English, at first, we have to come up thinking in mother tongue and then translate them in English, and then processing is done in the brain and our mouth delivery our thought. So more time is needed to process in the brain to speak in English. As a result, we can speak fluently. Another problem is practice. We have practiced our mother tongue a long time when we were a child. We were rectified when we made mistakes speaking in our mother tongue. In other words, we got the company to interact. But in case of English, we don't get too many company. Everybody will make fun of us if we want to speak in English with them. So we don't get the chance to practice or interact in English. Solution of these two problems is very simple. The solution is we should practice with our inner mind. We can think in English if we want and can talk to our inner mind virtually. I know the solution seems crazy, but it works. So you really don't need anybody to learn English literally. You are all in all. If you talk regularly to yourself in English, thinking in the very same language about the whole day before going to bed, I guarantee, within a short period, you can speak English fluently in front of anybody.